you and I are not from here. Our parents were not from this country. Rather, Adam and Eve, and these are the ones whom I am speaking about, Adam and Hawa, they are not from planet Earth. They are from somewhere above. And it was due to a particular predicament that happened there in the heaven that they were evicted. They were placed here on earth for a short period of time. They carried out a short examination and then they returned back to their destination, their ends. And you and I are no exception to the rule. We are passers-by in the life of this world. We will carry out a very short exam within our 50, 60 or 70 years. Then we shall die and meet Allah, and this examination theater called planet Earth will be deconstructed, never to be seen again. Be a person who differentiates between the means, dunya, and the ends, the hereafter and paradise. You will be a happy person. I give you an example. Imagine that you are a businessman who sells pens, £1 a pen. Then a merchant comes to you and he says, look, I'm willing to buy from you every morning a box of pens, £10 a pen. Of course, the deal is agreed. He says to you, just come to my office first thing in the morning and I will give you your money, you give me the products. The only thing that upsets you a little bit is that you realize that when you go to his shop in the first hour of the morning, he's not very accommodating. He frowns a little bit. He's not that welcoming, not very hospitable. I ask you a question, will you care? Will it bother you? The answer is no. So if someone kicks you or slaps you in Hajj, or somebody doesn't say thank you when giving them way at the traffic lights, you say Alhamdulillah, this is from Allah. How can I profit from this particular scenario? Differentiate between the means and the ends. That is principle number 4. Principle number 5, make sure that you are a person who correctly places his reliance, and you will be a happy person. Make sure that the one who you depend upon meets 2 conditions: somebody whom you love a lot and somebody who can be relied upon. Why? Because you may love someone, but if they can't be relied upon, you will struggle to continue with that person. Similarly, there may be a person who you can rely upon, but you don't love them. Life cannot continue with such a person.